How to message a seller on Etsy. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily message a seller on Etsy. Now if you're confused on how you can do so, let me guide you through with this video quickly. Now it's quick and easy, so what you want to do is you want to open up your browser, and then what you want to do is you want to head into etsy.com. You can see etsy.com. I've typed in there and I'm on the official Etsy website here. What you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to simply open up a product that you want to message a seller of. In my case, I'll just open up a random product here. I'll just tap on this one and it should open up. Once the item or the product loads up, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below here and you'll see the option item details, and below item details you can see description. Below description you can see shipping and return policies, and below it you can see message your seller option. So simply tap on it, and once you tap on it you'll be able to see the seller and you will see the message seller option there. You can see Mrs. Maria here, the owner of the product here. You want to simply tap on message option and you'll be able to message them. So this way you can easily message a seller on Etsy. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.